In this video, we're going to walk you through how to set up SuiteDash for document signing and legal contracts. SuiteDash is a powerful platform, but if you're looking to streamline your workflow and make legal agreements easier, you need to know how to use it properly. Stick around because at the end, I'll show you a better alternative that might be the perfect fit for your needs, and it comes with an exclusive free trial just for you. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is set up your SuiteDash account if you haven't already. Once you're in, go to the Documents tab. This is where you'll manage all your contracts and legal documents. You'll have the option to either upload existing documents or create new ones right from within the platform. Next thing, you'll want to set up your document template. This is where you can predefine the structure of your contracts so you don't have to start from scratch every time. SuiteDash allows you to add text fields, checkboxes, and signature blocks, basically all the components you need for a legally binding document. This is a crucial step because, without a template, you'll find yourself repeating the same tasks over and over again. The third thing is configuring your signature fields. SuiteDash provides customizable signature options where you can choose the type of signature your clients will use, whether it's drawn, typed, or an uploaded image. Set these fields in your template so that when you send out documents for signing, the process is as seamless as possible. Next, let's talk about document workflows. Once your template is ready, you can create a workflow for your legal documents. You can choose who needs to sign, in what order, and when they should sign. You can even set reminders so you don't have to chase clients for signatures. This automation is one of SuiteDash's strongest points, but be aware, it can get a bit overwhelming if you're managing multiple documents or clients at once. The fifth thing to consider is the security of your documents. SuiteDash uses encryption and secure cloud storage to ensure that your legal contracts are safe. However, like many platforms, there's always a chance of user error or confusion, especially when it comes to sharing documents with multiple stakeholders. Make sure you double-check permissions before sending anything out. Now, while SuiteDash does have a robust system for document signing and managing contracts, there are some limitations. The interface can be a little clunky at times, and the user experience isn't always the smoothest. It's not necessarily intuitive for first-time users, and if you're someone who needs top-notch customer support, you may find the response time slow. And now, I've got a recommendation for you. If you're finding SuiteDash a bit too complex, or you're looking for something that's even more tailored to your needs for document signing and contract management, there are some great alternatives. They offer more streamlined interfaces, better customer service, and even more robust legal tools. The best part? You'll get exclusive access to the best free trials through the link in the description. These alternatives are ideal for legal contracts, and they come with features that SuiteDash sometimes lacks. You'll get all the benefits without being stuck in the frustration of an overloaded interface. So, in conclusion, SuiteDash can be a great tool for document signing and legal contracts, but it's not without its flaws. If you're after something with fewer headaches, check out the alternatives I've linked below, which offer a better experience overall for the goal of streamlining your document management. Make sure to use the exclusive link in the description to get the best free trial and access benefits only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out those alternatives for a more seamless experience.